strong.
And happy Friday, everyone. Happy Groundhog Day. If you haven't heard the news, well, Punxsutawney Phil did not see his shadow, as well as Buckeye Chuck, the other big groundhog in Ohio, did not see their shadows this morning, which allegedly, supposedly means we are in for an early spring. Now, when you look at Phil throughout history, if Groundhog Day falls on a Friday, it's only happened 9 times since 1950. This is just the 3rd time that Phil has not seen his shadow. So an exceptionally rare event. It's been 17 years. So we were due, if you think about it. So we'll see if an early spring actually happens. But many of you will have trouble seeing your shadow today with lots of sunshine and plenty of clouds around, especially by this afternoon. Now tomorrow, much better chance of seeing that shadow because we'll be dealing with lots of sunshine, a great day on Saturday. And then we're looking at some shower activity to roll in here by the time we get to Sunday. Now over the next 7 days, Weather Prediction Center saying, yeah, there's some precipitation that looks likely. A lot of this, though, is for later next week as our next weathermaker makes it toward the area. For us in the tri-state, some of this could happen late in the day on Sunday. I'll show you that here in just a second. As we go through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon, nothing to worry about. Temperatures 40s and 50s, a great day overall. And as we stretch that out over the next 24 hours, tonight and the overnight hours also are looking rather tranquil. It will not be tranquil as we end the weekend. By Saturday night, low pressure will be parked pretty much over Jonesboro, Arkansas. It's going to kind of dance around for a day or so. And as it does so, it's going to try to pull some shower and rain activity into far southwest parts of the tri-state. We'll see. I think for a lot of us will see clouds, especially the further east that you go. But definitely some showers are possible, especially later in the day Sunday and into Monday, before this system really starts to pull away. But definitely more clouds are on the table for our Sunday. We're going to call it 60 degrees today under mostly cloudy skies. That's 12 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year. So a great Friday overall for this Groundhog Day. Mid to upper 60s the further west that you go toward the Missouri line. And then tonight will also be nice and quiet with temperatures in the upper 30s and lower 40s. The extended forecast also looks quite nice. Couple of showers possible depending on your location Sunday. And then as we head into next week, things are nice and seasonal and into the 60s by next Thursday.